Hey guys, before I start this video was filmed 4 months before. So yeah.
It's me, Max Emiliano. Welcome back to Max Beast Vlog. Before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below what is your favorite car. And don't forget to turn on post notifications to find out every time I post a new video. So yeah, this might be a weird intro because I'm in my car, but yeah, let's get on to the video.
I can back it up.
Here. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and turn on post notifications to get notified every time I post a new video. So yeah.